details about this hotel, flight location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. You can see on the screen property location, details, and nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The property is sold to guests love to enjoy the surrounding. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Some offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in your by commenting. We will help you. If you have already